If you're trying to decide between Apple's next big flagships, here's the quick, honest breakdown of the iPhone 18 Pro Max and the iPhone 18 Pro. Both phones are expected to run Apple's A20 Pro chip, so performance is basically identical. Same power, same AI features, same smooth iOS experience. The real difference comes down to size and lifestyle. The Pro Max is the heavy hitter. You're getting a huge 6.9-inch display, a massive battery around 5,200 mAh, and the best endurance Apple has ever aimed for. It's made for binge-watching, gaming, and all-day heavy use. But yeah, it's big and heavy. The regular Pro is more practical. A 6.3-inch screen, lighter feel, easier one-handed use, and still the exact same performance under the hood. So here's the simple rule. Go Pro Max if you want maximum battery and screen size. Go Pro if you want flagship power without the pocket burden.